Hello everyone, today I want to offer you an unusual cocktail salad with chicken. Plus, this salad is beautifully served and has an unusual taste. It looks beautiful, it is prepared simply. The first layer will be chicken fillet. Cut the meat into small cubes and boil it. We put the cooled chicken on the bottom of the ice cream bowl or wine glass. For the next layer, cut a fresh cucumber into a small cube. He will honorably take his place on the chicken. Cut 100 grams of ham into small cubes. We spread the ham on the cucumber. Peel the orange from the skin, and finely chop the pulp after removing the bones. Put the orange pulp on the ham. 50 grams of walnuts should be grated on a fine grater or crushed with a knife. Sprinkle the oranges liberally with nuts, leaving a little nut crumbs for decoration. In the washed apple, remove the core with the bones and cut the pulp into small cubes. Put a layer of apples on the nut. Now we'll start refueling. To do this, put mayonnaise and orange juice in a deep bowl, whisk until smooth, salt and pepper to taste. Pour the dressing into a bowl, 1 or 2 tablespoons. And the last of the ingredients, cheese, grated on a fine grater. Sprinkle the salad with cheese. This is our last layer. Decorate with nut crumbs and our salad is ready. Bon appetit! Good luck with your culinary masterpieces. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you.